So today's presentation is going to go over AWS Bedrock and some of its core components. We're going to do a demo, and as well as we're going to cover some use cases and applications. So what is AWS Bedrock? AWS Bedrock seeks to make AI and machine learning accessible to everyone by simplifying the development process. It is a collection of foundation models, and it aims to drive innovation by providing these powerful tools. So what are the benefits of using AWS Bedrock? So these are pre-built machine learning tools that simplify the development process, and it seamlessly integrates with several AWS services, enhancing data flow and utility. And it has an intuitive user interface that we will see in a second that empowers developers to efficiently create and deploy solutions. All right, so what are some of its core components? So there are four main foundation models that are on the platform. Amazon Titan, which is language models from AWS, and they are pre-trained for a variety of tasks. Anthropic Claude, which is known for the safety and reliability. AI 21 Labs, where you have the Jurassic model, and they are more designed for creative tasks, and Stability AI, which is based more towards image creation, but they also have other things for other generative tasks. So all these pre-built machine learning models are already, again, pre-built, so that people can easily get started with AI in their applications. So AWS Bedrock offers robust tools for data integration, facilitating seamless connections between various data sources and AI models. One example of that is it's able to connect to S3 and also Lambda, where users can basically send prompts to the AWS Bedrock, get a response, and then give it back to the user. So there is also optimized performance monitoring, which can be done through AWS CloudWatch and other monitoring services on the AWS platform. So I'm going to go over a Bedrock demo, and I will see you in a second. Hello everyone, let's get started with this lab. So I'm currently on the Amazon Bedrock page, but you can get there too by searching it up on the search bar. Now let's do some quick ground rules. So in order to go through this whole lab, you need to modify your model access and make sure you have yes, you should have Titan Text G1 Lite and also Titan Image Generator G1. Both of these are necessary for this lab, and you can do so by clicking this button, Modify Model Access. Anyways, we're going to scroll up and click under the Playgrounds tab. You click Chat/Text first, and so you can select a model, click Amazon, then search available models, Titan. Oh. Okay, so you need to click Titan Text G1 Lite and On Demand, and then click Apply. So know that this will cost money, but you're currently on the so keep that in mind. But now you can mess around with the Amazon Bedrock, where you can type in a prompt, so such as the pigs are red, are pink, what color are the cows? Just a random question. So run it. Okay, so sometimes it does that. What is the capital of America? Okay, so it answered, and so you can see how this is used to handle basic queries for customers, and you can mess around with the settings. If I ask this again, what is the capital of America? It will pull up the same response, but maybe I ask it a different question. Tell story of a frog. Yeah, so it told a story about a frog. Again, very simple prompts, but they have a lot of impact in for big business for businesses. So let's try something else. We're gonna go over to image and video, select model. We're gonna click image generator again, apply, and then say, give me a cat. So this will take time. So in the meantime, I will pause the video and we'll resume once this is done loading. All right, the pictures of the cat had been generated. So you can click and see, you can generate variations, you can remove it, you can replace the background, all sorts of stuff. So as you can see, this is very useful for companies as this provides them with basically a way to get not have to pay for artists or pay for as many customer service agents. It will save the company money. So what is good about Bedrock? Bedrock allows for faster deployment as there's no need to train models from scratch. It is very cost efficient as you pay what you use, which reduces infrastructure management costs, and it is innovation at scale because these AI servers are not bought at these small quantities. You are basically renting out a small part of a very large amount of AI servers, which reduces the overall cost. So what are some use cases? So again, generative AI applications such as chatbots and virtual assistants, content creation with text, image, and video generation, business automation with AI, again, the AI chatbots, but also data analysis and summarization, and personalized recommendations based on user behavior. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.